Hi everyone, in this video training, I'm going to show you how to create a new page in Shopify and add that page to this menu. Okay, let's get back to the dashboard. Here I am, and here you can see online store. Just click on here and you will see pages. Just click on pages and here you will see all the pages you have. Currently I have contact page, but I need to create a about us page. Here you can see add page. Just click add page and I'm going to enter the title of the page. It is about us, and here I'm going to add some content. Okay, I'm going to enter some text here. Well friends, using these formatting tools you can also format the text. Here you can see add image option. Just I'm going to insert an image here just after this text. Just enter. I'm going to click on image and I'm going to insert an image. Say for example this image. Just hit done and here it is. The image is inserted. Okay, here it is. The image is inserted. Okay, now if you would like to publish this page, just click visible and hit save. And here you can see view. Just click over here. Now you can see your about us page. Okay, so if I click on the home page, I don't see this page on my menu items. So let's see how I can add this about us page on these menu items. Well friends, now let's see how I can add this page to our menu. Okay, so here you can see content. Just click on it and here you can see under content has menus. Just click on menus and here you can see main menu, and this is the menu that displays the items here. So just click on main menu and here you can see the items under main menus, and on the bottom here you can see add menu item. Just click on it and I'm going to label here about us, and here I'm going to search for the page. I'm going to search for pages and here you can see about us page. Just hit save. Now I'm going to refresh this URL. Okay, now here you can see about us page. If I click over here and you can see the content. Well friends, I hope now you will be able to create a new page and add that page to the menu. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again with new videos. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button.